Hello and welcome to another episode. I guess it's not an episode already, but welcome back to Snob Map Making. So today we're gonna be doing a Roblox game, and it's called Doors. Some of you have probably heard of it, and it's a lot of fun. So we're gonna join a game. I've never played this before. I've heard of it. I have not played it, so I can't wait to get started. And let's go. Whenever you see this video, it is probably like 2 or so days after I've actually recorded it. Cause I think this is going up what was it? It's going up the 5th of September. What in the world? So, yeah. If you're wondering, whenever you see this, why there hasn't been any videos for the past, few days, that is because of, Landon, wanted to record a video with me, and, he wasn't able to. I guess the day after this is posted, but for me it's tomorrow. I'm recording this on this as the same day as the other videos that I have on the channel so far. So the 3rd, and he wasn't able to play on the 4th, but this will come out on the 5th, or this will come out on the 4th maybe. I'm not sure when this is gonna come out. Whenever it comes out, that same day we'll probably have one more video uh out, or maybe okay. Let me rephrase that. There will be no videos with Landon in them until the 5th, but um I am pre-recording this right now. Just so there's something to go up tomorrow. Instead of, just it not going up. I don't know what the upload schedule is gonna look like in the future. I'm hoping to go for um maybe once or so a week, but there are no guarantees. So yeah. I'm not entirely sure when the upload schedule is going to be. It may be once a week, and that might not be permanent and everything, so yeah. Let's go. This is creepy, by the way. I've heard it's scary. Like I said, I've heard about this game before. You probably have too, but never actually played it, so we're trying it out right now. Ooh. Uh, okay. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, that's terrifying. What was that? What? Oh, this is terrifying for me. Oh, let's go, let's go. Oh, oh my god. I absolutely hate jump scares. That was terrifying. What was that? What? So I hid because I saw they were all hiding. I'm just gonna hide whenever they're there. Or whenever they're hiding. Because I think these people have played it before, so hopefully we're all good. What's this? Pop. Got the lever. Come on, people, clean this room. Look. Can't reach it. How many floors are there? We're on four, or I guess door 14. Wait, what was that? Was that a key? So money. I got money. Yay. What's over here? I'm guessing I should check these all in case there's money and stuff in them. Oh, I have a key. Oh, okay. I guess we can all pick up the key. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Does it say? How does this man have a light? Okay. 17? Oh, we need a key. Oh, okay. So we gotta check these for a key. This is really well made, by the way. This is like actual horror game level of like terrifying. Whoa. What? I'm hidden. I'm hidden. How did? Oh God, what was that? Those things are terrifying. I'm just gonna stay right here. I think the other guys are grabbing the key. Do they have it? Do they have a key? Is it? What is that? Oh, that's terrifying. All right, well, that's all I'm gonna record for today. I mean, okay, I'll do one more round, but there's no guarantee that you'll be able to see the whole thing. All right, so how do we queue up into another match? Just okay. I died to a screech on floor 19. That was terrifying. Oh my God. Oh, actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna make one more Roblox video today. I'll post this one probably on the 4th, and then the next one on the 5th, where we play Rainbow Friends. Or I will like put that on the Snom schedule. I don't actually have a schedule. I'll just let them know somehow that I kind of want to do a uh video. Oh, the guy had the lighter. That's why he was. Oh, that's what the money's for. Okay, so the guy had the lighter, and he was able to use the lighter to. So he was able to use the lighter to give some light for a little bit, and that's why it was bright near him. I thought he had like a lantern or something, but apparently it only lasts for a little bit. Key, crouch. Okay, so screeches. I just gotta stare them down. Okay, I guess that's useless stuff. Oh, they left. Okay. Oh, sorry, my mouse went track there. Just gonna run through. The dark rooms are absolutely terrifying, though. Which, I might say for. I didn't mean to call it there. Uh, money. I'll take the money. I don't know what that is. Hide. Let's check over it. Yeah? Okay. Alright, so that is all that I'm gonna do with doors for today. I hope you enjoyed, and, well, I'll see you later. Snob out.